Welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Teacher Riza, and today's class we are going to tackle about it versus there. Do you know how to use them? If not, then you have to stay with me and continue watching my video. If you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to comment below or enroll in our school here at Hotel Campus Language Center. To start with, let's study the word it. So we use it to talk about the time, day or dates, the distance, or the weather. So let's check first the word time. For example, what time is it? It is 2:30 or it's 2:30. Another example, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. It's time to watch Doraemon on TV. Next, we can also use the word it to talk about the day or dates. For example, it is Monday, so you can say it's Monday. Or it's Friday. It's my most favorite day of the week. How about you? Do you like Friday? And if you want to mention the date or dates, we can also use or say today is February 24, 2021. Or you can say it's February 24, 2021. Next, we can also use the word it to mention something about the distance. Let's say, how far is it from Ayala Mall to my hotel? Our answer will be, it's 5 kilometers from Ayala Mall to my hotel. How about this situation? Can you guess how far is it from Tokyo to Osaka? Let's say 500 kilometers from Tokyo to Osaka. Okay? Alright, aside from these examples, we can also use the word it to mention something about the weather. For example, let's check these examples. It's hot, it's cloudy, and it's not raining. Now let's proceed to the word there. So let's study the word there. When to use there is and there are. We use there to start our sentence when we want to mention that something exists. Let's say there is plus singular noun, and we use there are plus the plural noun. Let's examine these two pictures. I have here picture 1. What can you see? You can see a table and a book. For example, there is a book on the table, which means to say the book exists because you can see that there is a book on the table. So we use there is because our noun is a singular noun. And moving on, let's check picture number 2. You can see a table and 2 cups on it, right? There are 2 cups on the table. So I use there are because our noun is plural. So there are 2 cups on the table. Again, we have to use the word there is or there are to mention that something exists. Since you can see that there are 2 cups on the table, so we can use this pattern. There is and there are. Okay? Do you have any questions? Can you understand? Don't forget, guys, that the general meaning of using there is to talk about existence. Now, in addition to that, we can also use there in the following situations. For example, the first one here I have to introduce a new topic. Let's say, there is a new Korean drama on TV tonight. Do you like watching Korean drama? If yes, then me too. Next, we can also use there to mention the number or quantity. For example, there was a lot of rain last night. So as you can see, I used the word was, or the be verb was, because this time my example happened in the past, which is the word last night. In this sentence, the phrase a lot of rain talks about the quantity. Alright? Now, let's have the last purpose or usage to say where something is. There are few patients in Cebu Hospital. So, the phrase in Cebu Hospital answers the question where. So, we have the sentence, there are few patients in Cebu Hospital. To know more about this lesson, just continue watching our videos, comment below, or enroll in our school here at Bio Hotel Campus Language Center. Thanks for watching!